Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable headband bow, perfect for any age. What you will need: the mini Bowdabra bow maker, some bow wire, ribbon of your choice. I decided to go with this really pretty 7/8 inch width ribbon, a headband, the size depends on the age of your baby, scissors, and a hot glue gun. And you also have the option of using a hair clip. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is take your bow wire, fold it in half, and place it in the center of your Bowdabra. Then you're going to take your first piece, and the ribbon is already cut into 8-inch long pieces. I'm just folding it in half to find the center, scrunch, fold in half, bring the front and the back up, and place it down. Then I'm going to make a loop, scrunch it again, and place it down. And repeat the same step with the other side. Scrunch and place it down. I have one tail going up and one going down. Use my wand to scrunch everything together. It looks so cute and precious. You could definitely stop here, but I'm going to add a few more pieces. So I'm going to repeat the same steps. Again, I'm going to scrunch in the center, make a loop, scrunch and place it down. Make another loop, scrunch, and place it down. And be sure to use your wand to scrunch everything together, because the more pieces you add, the thicker it's going to get. So that looks so cute. And make sure you adjust it while the wand is in place. You can use a lighter to finish off any frayed edges you may have. Alright, we are all done. It looks so cute and precious. I tried to alternate the loops and the tails. Next, you're going to take your bow wire, the two openings inside of the loop, hold your bow in place, and give it a nice tug. And then remove it from the Bowdabra. Then we're going to tie it in a knot a couple of times, just to make sure it's nice and secure. Alright, so this is what it's looking like. So cute and precious. And there's the bow wire. I'm just going to take my bow wire and tie it around my headband. Again, the size and the color and the style of the band is completely up to you. I'm just going to tie it in a knot a couple of times and cut away the excess. There it is. It looks so cute and precious. You can definitely leave it like this, or you can add an adorable center. I'm just going to take another piece of ribbon and tie it in a knot to form my center. So I'm going to take my knot and place it in the center. And there are two ways you can do this. One way, you can tie it in a knot at the back and then bring it back around and tie it in one more knot at the front. And then it will kind of form two more tails if you would like to do that. Or you can just leave it tied at the back, cut away the excess, and hot glue it in place. Either way would work. They both look cute and precious, so it's just personal preference. And you are all done. So cute, sweet, simple, and easy to make. Perfect for any age. It looks so cute and precious, and you can make different colors, different themes. Just have fun with it and make it your own.